Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra, Olivia, and today's video is brought to you by a company called Junoda Wigs, and they sent me this box. So I just want to show you guys everything that comes inside of the packaging. They did send me a paddle brush that comes in this dark forest green color, which I love. I ended up giving this to my mom. And then they also had a wig cap. I'm just showing you guys the texture. This was a really good brush, so I did keep it. Most of the times I don't keep the brushes because they're not good quality, but this one was. This is the bag that the hair came in, and then your typical hair goodies bag. It has the brochure teaching you guys how to care for your hair and products that you need to keep your hair manageable. And then it also had a double-sided baby hair brush that has a comb and a brush on it as well. Then they also sent in some lashes. I actually put these lashes on at the end of the video, so you guys will see that when I do my continue makeup look. And then they also sent me an edge band that I can put my edges down with. This is optional. And then they also sent a wig cap, which I wasn't quite sure why they sent a wig cap, because this is a vpart wig, so you leave some of your hair out. But I guess if you want to braid your hair, put a wig cap and then cut a hole in it, that's optional. But I'm super lazy, so I wasn't doing all that. So the hair length is 22 inches. They sent me a kinky curly 4C unit. And again, this is a V-part unit. This is my first time ever working with something like this. But it basically reminds me of a U-part wig, except for it closes in the front. So you do have to leave out some of your perimeter and the hair in the top just to blend it, because if you don't, you will have a little dot with the track like right in the center of your head, and that is not cute. So I'm just showing you guys the construction. It has the 3 combs in the back and in the sides with an adjustable band, and then in the top it has these 4 what are these called? These 4 hair clips that you snap, like the clip-in type of clips, so that way when you put the unit on, you can clip it into place, so that way it's not sliding and shifting. So I just want you guys to see the construction really quickly, and then we will get into the install. Because it's my first time doing this, also they sent me this. I added this towards the end because I got this out of the packaging after I was done. But I threw this cap on my head just to show you guys where I'm going to be leaving my hair out. Obviously, I'm not going to put it on like this. No makeup, just doing this before I beat my face, and then I'll be back in just a second. So I had my hair pre-twisted, so all I did was leave out my hair in the top, and then I'm just putting this unit on to where it fits on my head. It was super easy to put on. All you have to do is do the comb in the back, and then you can do the 2 combs on the right and the left by your ears just to secure it. And then I did go in at the top and use all 4 of the clips just to secure it in place. And then I'm just going to go ahead and unravel my hair and leave out my perimeter, and then just the part in the center. That way everything is blended. Now, because my hair is a kinkier texture than this unit, I wanted to make sure that it blends. So my hack is I like to go in with a foam wrap just to make sure that everything is nice and slick and going to be set into place. And then I'm also going to be going in with some hair gel, courtesy of my mom. And then I'm also going to be wetting this hair and then wetting my hair just so that way it blends perfectly. And this is like a heat-free way to make your curls blend. So I'm just going in right now with some Nairobi foam wrap, just getting that on my hair just to start setting it. And then I'm going to go in with some curl mousse also by Mish Beauty. It's just like a leave-in curl cream just to define my curls. And I'm going to just run it through the top. You'll see me raking my hands through just to make sure that the product is getting through my hair and the extensions, so that way it can just blend together perfectly. So now I'm just going in with my comb right now, pulling out that leave out over that part I was telling you guys about in the front of the V part where it closes, so that way I don't have any exposure. And I just left out the bare minimum for leave out, just so that way when the wind blows, you don't see any of the wig on the side. And now I'm just going in with that hair gel I was talking about, raking my fingers through and making sure that it blends. And as you can see with this close up, I'll be getting up closer in just a second. You can see how it's already starting to blend with my hair. And I'm just going to let that air dry, and I am going to tie it down after this video. And this is how the top looks with my leave out. I just put a part in the center, kind of did like an off center part, and then just wore it naturally in the front. And now I'm just letting it dry and giving it a little bit of volume. So I'm just going to show you guys how it looks on the back and the sides. And this is pretty much it for this video. I will be sure to link all of Junoda's information down below in the description box, as well as any discount codes that they send me. And just comment down below if you use anything from this company, or if you've tried a V-part wig. Again, this is my first time wearing a V-part wig. I typically don't like to do leave out, but in this instance I had to, just because of the type of unit. So this is how it looked when it was halfway dry. My hair is of course way shorter than a unit because I did cut it in a bob a while back, but overall it blended very nicely, and I got a lot of compliments. My parents both said it looked really nice, so that was a nice touch. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm getting ready to tie this down so that way tomorrow it'll be laid and blended perfectly, because I am going to wear this to work. and you will probably see me on Instagram posting with this. Probably not. I don't take that many selfies, but maybe I'll post one. I don't know yet. But thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to check out Junoda's information in the description box and anything that I use, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.